Namaskar. Between 5 p.m. last evening and 5 p.m. today, we've had in all 324 positive cases of COVID 2019 in Gujarat. We've had 7 people who have unfortunately died with COVID as the primary cause of death. There have been 13 others who had severe comorbid conditions or other serious conditions, underlying conditions as we call them, but they also contracted the infection of COVID-19 and unfortunately passed away. Today we've had 191 people who have successfully completed the treatment and gone home. With this, the discharge rate goes up to 38.43%. In all, till today, we've had 9,592 positive COVID patients in all, out of which 3,753 have got discharged, and this is a huge number which have now finally successfully completed the treatment and gone home. And of the patients under treatment currently, 5,210 are absolutely stable and there are 43 in critical care. Till today, we have tested 1,24,709 patients for COVID. We also want to share, there have been some reports, some misinformation in the media that Gujarat is not testing sufficiently. We feel that is completely incorrect factually. If you look at the tests per million, Gujarat has tested as many as 1858.79 tests per million. And if we compare this with other big states of India, we are doing reasonably well, we are doing very well. Karnataka, for example, has done 1797 tests per million, Maharashtra 1745 tests per million. The average for the entire country is 1343 tests per million. Kerala has done 1066 tests per million, Madhya Pradesh 1012 tests per million, West Bengal 639 tests per million, and Uttar Pradesh 554 tests per million. So compared to all of these, Gujarat is certainly not testing less, we are testing sufficiently. And we also want to clarify one more issue. There have been reports in the media that private labs are not being allowed to test. This is also factually not correct. We have got complaints that even patients who are not symptomatic, that is not abiding by the guidelines of ICMR, we've had cases of symptomatic patients also being tested in these labs, and there have been complaints that they are charging and phenomenally, and therefore a decision has been taken to check if the patients that were tested were symptomatic or asymptomatic. However, we also want to clarify that all those patients who are admitted in hospitals have an emergency or a surgery to be they have to undergo a surgery or an emergency intervention. For such patients, the tests will be allowed, and this has been communicated and is also being communicated through this medium. Today we want to end on a very interesting and a very positive, heartwarming success story. This is about Shri Chirag Haribhai Pandit, who is a 49-year-old patient, the first patient from Vadodara. He came from Spain, was admitted on 17th of March at the Gotri Gemers Hospital and was discharged on 31st of March. He's absolutely been praising the services of the hospital and openly, very frankly sharing that the services are even better than what he could have got at Spain, in the country, in Spain. The professors and doctors who attended on him were Dr. Himanshu Rana, professor, and Dr. Meenal Shastri, additional professor medicine there. And we want to again share with all of you that this video expressing his views are being shared with you. Let's all appreciate the excellent work being done by all our healthcare workers, our doctors. This is about 50 days since the first case erupted in Gujarat, and the teams are working relentlessly day and night. And this is also the International Week of Nurses. As many as 9,000 nurses are all working in the COVID wards amid infection and really putting in their best efforts day and night. I think we must have a sense of positivity and appreciate the excellent work done by all these teams. If we all join hands and are very committed to all the cause of fighting this disease, we shall surely emerge victorious. Let us also remember to keep our immunity up by believing in more positive, hopeful stories and not get carried away by negative, depressing remarks or stories. Let us also keep sipping hot water through the day. Let us also have golden milk, hot milk with turmeric in it at least twice a day. and follow all the simple practices which the Ayush Ministry has suggested to keep our immunity up and boosted. Thank you.